ba kawai mengajuk arsit pada kiwi konstituensi ru ke BJP ke lalai bahwa man ke BJP hi ke adon ke very ke adon ke potential ke ba klaim ha naga benda ke ni ke arfulai ke MLA election ru but la kumnu ru sposit dunai ke nyo prasit nyo abai nen ru nyo set ke ba hi ong tama sposit hi ke BJP kan job bai ha ke arfulai ta negara Hills Council elections President ng BJP dan tadi in charge ng BJP Dr. Chubao Badairu National Vice President kilami menengas ni benar masalah la syadang step menlait apo kajakahi banyak kendu menlait man congratulate di anut ki nong job naga BJP berah ju upor mengenyakan nginpet ya kanu ke benda bengen tahu ya ka executive committee kumang tahu ke state apo ka district council ru inya ale daga juhi ka model ka giu nga miui kata ka deru ka ba ka jingkan ka jong candidate nyong ka BJP ki jongi ka bari natura ka sosi te tangba naga menda ka jeng baha jong ka general jong ka party kata ngi hab ya perkhat pade ka lendi ka babha ka lendi ka babha ama ka party kam syong nga shimet ani hanu shimet ka party ke syong ka party hi bet perkhat ni ka babha ka India bergoi ka jengi kun jong BJP ka di bar ka Congress bar kamdon gunu ga cakar ka ba ki tela ka Congress tingi hap man sengap bet ya ka jeng penya ya ki lidar jong ka BJP padon gunu ga rai ka ba umala rai ben trelang banu menuru datang daw i ka jeng start jong ka party haga ba ku he jong BJP menchat jong BJP ulami bende hi bende cha tura na ka benda mensim ya karai ka babha ta ka benda ka jing bha jong party hi bora oi ni telang ju hi tambah kata ka rai gi patsim no kan ini kan ni rai ni tumbala rai no parai yo bakla ka yo to bala rai jingkwa ka jong tingin ni tre kumbang ye tre ka government MD ka jingkwa jong ka longum ta ti ka songpat ha jinglet pada ke parti setia ke ketua gubernur jadi kena ke decision macam ke parti BJP hi kan sim hi la ke jong decision then whatever the issue which is we taken by the BJP will be taken all the members is depend on the biggest party cannot depend on a small party right we also will tell let's go together whether we go this side or go this side let's go together we will try to rope in the independent also. We will try to rope in the GNC also. So that is the understanding we'll make among the elected MBC. And also definitely BJP will try to bring other camp also to BJP to become suppose now. If it is under the BJP-led executive committee. Definitely, we welcome anybody, Ampati or any other constituency is, but BJP is trying their best. I was there very much on the ground. There are many seats they have come second, are growing very well. It might be for hundreds vote, maybe 200 votes, BJP is losing, but definitely if losing for 100, 200 votes also is a winning of the BJP. Aga election manwan arpulai ni. Dunai ka nyo prasit duna umbas posit e job na po Garo Hills in the Tura MDC of Garo Hills Autonomous Council. So we have got 2 seats in Garo Hills. So as a party we are very joyful. One of the reason, but we have a very strong candidate. Candidate also matter a lot in the youth, and also the party also is very strong, and the BJP is coming up political party in Meghalaya, and I'm sure because I've been touring the entire Garo Hills during the elections, Garo Hills Autonomous District Council elections. There's a very high potential for BJP, and for the next MLA election 2023, BJP is going to get minimum 6 to 7, minimum, and more to maybe more than 10 seats. And obviously, that is shown. It is the result itself has been shown. You see the result, how the performance of the BJP in Garo Hills. I will not say in other political party, but BJP is growing tremendously.